These are the cats available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Tuesday, August the 14th. Our first cat is an orange girl named Lucy. She is 4 years old and she weighs 7 pounds. Our next cat is relaxing on a shelf here. This is a 2-year-old, doesn't have a name yet. She weighs 9 pounds. This is Wally. Wally is 2 years old and he loves to give hugs. He puts his paws right around you. He weighs 13 pounds. He's 2 years old. And he's just wagging his tail. Next is Logan. Logan kind of looks like a snowshoe. Logan is a year old and weighs 6 pounds. Just a beautiful colored male. Another kitty taking a nap is Chanel. She's 14 weeks old, so still a kitten. Right now she weighs about 4 pounds. Well, Spicer here loves to play in the bag in his cage, or box. We had to reduce the size of the box because nobody could see Spicer. Spicer is a very sweet and calm boy who is 3 years old. He weighs 10 pounds. Next is Tanner. Tanner is 9 pounds and a year and a half old. He enjoys just looking out the window. This is a 10-month-old, beautiful gray cat, still a kitten, who weighs 7 pounds. This one does not yet have a name. Izzy is taking a nap in the back of his pen. He is 5 months old. I guess he's camera shy. He's just not looking at you at all. He is 5 pounds. Basil's 3 years old. He's a beautiful cat. Rosie is another pretty cat who is taking a nap, sleeping away. Cats seem to like Tupperware containers or bowls or bags or boxes to sleep in. Well, this is Rosie and she is 8 pounds. And our last cat is got a twin. These two are a couple of years old. They're both girls and they seem to always want to be in the same spot. They're in our little display bubble area here. They'd be really happy if they could go home together. Well, this is all of the cats that are available for adoption here at Pinellas County Animal Services at closing time on Tuesday, August the 14th. All the cats in tonight's video will be available for adoption when the shelter reopens tomorrow morning, which will be Wednesday, the 15th at 9 a.m. Adoptions are $25. We hope that you come and adopt one soon. Thank you for looking at the animals that are here at Pinellas County Animal Services.